Generator is now apart, and if you look down here, you can see that's where the radiator drain is. Buried in this compartment where you have to take the whole top and sides off to access it, which is really stupid. On the newer versions, they have an access port in the footer like they do for the oil drain. So I'm going to make one of those. I got some 1/2 inch inside diameter silicone dual layer braided radiator hose that's rated for temperature and pressure for radiators. Use stainless steel fittings, although they're using brass, so you could certainly use brass. Have a 1/2 inch barb to 1/2 inch stainless steel locking ball valve, which I'll also keep plugged as redundant. And I have to drill a hole in this little channel, 1/8 inch thick channel, to give it a direct shot out. And I'm going to keep it as level as I can to allow some drop once it's out into a pan. All right, so I just used step drills and cut through here, and this was actually really soft, mild steel, so no big deal. And that's the 1/2 inch fitting that has a little nib on the end of it, so we can clamp a hose onto that. All right, so I got an Oetiker clamp in there, and that is a 24.1 millimeter Oetiker clamp, which on this 13/16 outside diameter, 1/2 inch inside diameter radiator hose clamps firmly onto that nub. Next step is going to just be testing if it leaks under no pressure, and then before I drain it, I'm going to go ahead, open up the silk cock or stopcock there, leave this closed and run it so it develops some pressure, and make sure the hose and fittings are not leaking, and then I'll go ahead and drain it.